Nice. Alright guys, what's going on? Got a little project here. Got a little stereo adapter. Got the antenna and the adapter piece for the deck. Gotta open this boy up. Okay. '82 to '92 Camaro. There we go. Alright, so putting the Crocs on. You ain't rocking if you ain't crocking. Gotta head out to the garage and grab some bits. Some connectors and stuff. This garage is a mess. Alright, I think this is what I need. Cool. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so I have this Kenwood Exelon or whatever. I don't know. I got it from a friend. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. It's got Bluetooth. It's got all the things that you need on a stereo. And this is where you attach this piece to. So this is my '92 Camaro. She's a little rough on the edges, but you know, gets the job done. Gets me from place to place. And I'm gonna be pulling it into the garage just to make it a little bit easier because it's kind of cold. Should be good. All right. Well, it's time to start taking some stuff off, getting into it. I would be playing some music right now in the background on the stereo, but like garage stereo, but YouTube's got some whack policies where you can't play anything, so you have to sit here in silence while I do my thing. So I'm pretty sure it's a T15 bit for all the pieces on the inside. Gotta take this out so it doesn't die. That came out, but there's a piece, there's these little pieces that the screws screw into, and one's missing in the corner, so that's nice. Which means, oh, wait, does it not have one? I guess it doesn't have one, because there's this little black piece right here that, okay. Well, I guess there is no you don't even need to unscrew that fourth one. So I guess taking out that bottom piece didn't even have to happen. Well, you live and you learn. So you don't have to take that bottom piece out under the dash, because this corner bolt that was like blocked by it didn't even have a bolt in it. Like, it had this like fake screw. So there you go. Alright, so now we got the 4 bolts holding this stereo deck in, and gotta go find the sizes for them. Oh yeah, that's the one. Alright, so it's gonna be a 9/32 bit. After just having 12 minutes of video, not recording right, because I wanted you guys to see it, but if you missed anything, there is 4 bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are a, let's see, 9/32, and yeah, I'm just trying to get them out. There's a little guy right there. I don't know what that is. It's a little bug. There's a lot of random stuff in this car that I can't explain. Alright. So that was the last bolt. Now I'm gonna take this sucker out. Alright, so with a little bit of manhandling, you can get the plugs out of the back right here, and the radio antenna back here in that little hole. So the radio antenna is definitely a challenge to get out. You gotta pull pretty hard, but I got it after a while. Nice. Some salt. Some nice old salt from McDonald's in oh wait, no, never mind. That's the manufacturing of McDonald's. It's not the date. I'm kind of stupid. Yeah. I think I might see that big rusty brown piece back there. I might have to take that out, but I don't know yet. I just read this manual here, and whatever. Stupid. Alright. So I just read the manual. I was gonna show you, but I don't care. You do have to take out this back bracket thing, and there's 4 bolts, and the bolts are, again, the 9/32, which were used to remove these 4 in the front that were holding in the original deck. That was a pain, getting that stupid bracket out, but I finally got it out. And I used an extender on one of the sides because this cord is in the way at the bottom, and it's a whole process. But so now I'm putting together the bracket, and for this specific bracket, there's like these little holes that you have to put a little nut or a little bolt through, and then you connect a nut somewhere. I'm just still trying to figure it out, but once I get it figured out, I will show you. There's a little bit of a problem here. So these bolts, or the holes for the bolts, they're supposed to line up with this bracket. I mean, they do. It says the top right here. They do line up, but it's just a little bit too far on the edge. Like, it won't go in all the way because of this this plastic piece right here. So I'm gonna try, there's these 2 bolts here. There's one right there and one right there, and I'm gonna try to remove those and see if that helps. Alright, so to get this bezel piece in, you have to have this part around the shift knob out, because this like deck is kind of in the way. So you have to slide it in at the top and then get it in all nice and snug, and then put this piece back around the shifter with a little bit of moving, some kneading, and then put the screws back in, and then you're done. Alright guys, so it's 8:48 right now. I took a little time to eat dinner and stuff and wire the harness and everything. So I got all this wired up and hopefully it'll work, but now I just gotta shove everything in and hope it fits. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing fits. Please, please, please. I think it's in. I think it works. Let's take this off. I think she's in there. Yeah, look at that. I like it. Man, that's a nice upgrade from that old guy right there. This dinosaur. Oh man. It's got a nice cassette player and some bass and treble knobs. I like it. Alright. Oh, there's that. Wait. There is this piece. Is it directional? Nah. Come on. I think. Wait. Where'd it go? What? 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 I'm lost. Nope. It is inside. Alright, so got a little too excited and I forgot to test it before I put it in. So now we just gotta hope for the best. I gotta connect my battery. We're shooting sparks out here. That's real nice. That should be good on there. Now we go test it. Oh shoot. Shout out Gear Wax. Got that interior cleaning. Okay. Alright, let's close. Man. I gotta do one of these. Roll this boy down. Gotta put. Boom! Slam it! Alright. We'll throw that boy. Oh, I see lights. Turn this off. Nice. Alright, so I got it working. I mean, I think the display is actually broken. If I look really close, there's like, it looks like it was dropped or something. Like part of, like a piece of the display is like kind of messed up. So I think that's the only problem with it. But other than that, I mean, it works. Like yeah, it's just commercials, but yeah, it's better than that thing. So yeah, that's the first part of everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a lot different than what I've used to make, but yeah, I'm trying to make some more videos on my car, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later.